Tribhuvan University 2081 partial exam, previous first year, MGT 211 Financial Accounting and Analysis, new course, subject question paper, full marks 100, time 3 hours. There are 3 groups. Group A contains 20 marks, Group B contains 50 marks, and Group C contains 30 marks. Group A, brief answer question, marks 10 into 2 equal to 20. Attempt all the question. Question number 1, explain any two limitation of financial accounting. Question number 2, define the accounting period concept. Question number 3, what do you mean by intangible assets? Question number 4, write about stock dividend. Question number 5, what are the causes of depreciation? Question number 6, read carefully given information and find required accounting equation. Question number 7, read carefully given information and find required purchase book. Question number 8, read carefully given information and find required amount of value added. Question number 9, read carefully given information and find required journal entries for issue and retirement of note. Question number 10, read carefully given information and find required gain or loss on the early redemption of the bond. Group B, short answer question, marks 5 into 10 equal to 50. Attempt any 5 question. Attempt any 5 question, short question answer. Marks 5 into 10 equal to 50. Question number 11A, read carefully given information and find required bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2024. B, differentiate between cash and accrual basis of accounting. Question number 12, read carefully given information and find required A, ending inventory and cost of goods sold under the FIFO method, assuming a periodic inventory system. B, income statement showing net income assets, assume depreciation expenses are as 10,000 and other operating expenses are as 14,000. Question number 13, read carefully given information and find required A, stock at end, B, cost of sales, C, sales amount, D, fixed assets turnover, D, net profit after tax, E, long-term debt. Question number 14A, read carefully given information and find machinery account for the first 3 years, assuming the accounts are closed on December 31 each year using straight line depreciation method. B, differentiate between account receivable and notes receivable. Question number 15, financial statement analysis aims to identify the financial strength and weaknesses of a firm. Discuss. Question number 16, explain the concept of source documents and discuss their significance in the accounting process. Group C, long answer question, marks 2 into 15 equal to 30. Attempt any 2 question. Question number 17, read carefully given information and additional information also and find required 1, journal entries of the financial transaction, 2, triple column cash book, 3, T, accounts of purchase, sales, debtor and creditors, 4, adjusted trial balance. Question number 18, read carefully given information and find required cash flow statement using direct method. Question number 19A, discuss the role of generally accepted accounting principle GAAP in ensuring uniformity and consistency in financial accounting practices. B, explain how accounting information supports decision making for internal management and external stakeholders. PBS फर्स्ट ईयर देखिए प्रत्येक समग्र के विषय का प्रश्न पत्र चाहिए मैं विल टुगेदर 1M को प्लेलिस्ट PBS मेटेरियल एंड क्वेश्चन पेपर के खंडला ती क्वेश्चन हेल्प फाइनल एग्जाम के प्रिपरेसन राम्रोसँग गर्नु होला। तपाईले जुन भिडियो हेर्दै जानुहुन्छ त्यो भिडियोमा लाइक कमेन्ट सब्स्क्राइब शेयर गर्न नबिर्सनु होला।